A lot of people don't know you can actually make transparent shower gel with simple ingredients at home to turn it into different shower gels like strawberry shower gel, coconut shower gel, banana shower gel, or anything that you want. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we do DIY skincare product reviews, and everything skincare. So there we have our distilled water. Just relax, all the measurements will be on the screen, so just keep watching. So that is my SCI powder right there. I will just be dissolving the SCI powder in my distilled water using double boiler. You can use SLS powder in place of SCI powder if that's what you have. So there we have already dissolved our SCI powder. Here we are measuring our cocoa bean. This is a cold surfactant. It have a mild lather and it's very good in shower gel. So we are using that in this formulation. There are a lot of ways you can make base shower gel at home. This is just one of them, and it's transparent, because the good thing about making transparent shower gel is that you can turn it into anything you want. You can color it purple and decided to name it lavender shower gel. You can decided to color it orange and name it anything you want. So that is why is one of the beauties of making transparent shower gel. So just keep watching, okay? So at this point, I want to say, if you want to learn how to formulate skincare product from scratch, pre-mixing, anything skincare, soaps, creams, everything skincare, so there is link in our description box where you can chat us directly to our WhatsApp. So this is our vegetable glycerin for it to add some moisture to this shower gel. So like I said earlier, this is a very, very simple formula that you can make at home, like very, very simple. So the next ingredient is our salt. We are going to be using table salt to preserve this formula and at the same time thicken this shower gel. So table salt here serve as a thickener and also a preservative. Yeah, so I'm just going to be putting it gradually, step by step, like not at once. There you can get to control the consistency of your shower gel. So it's very important, even though you measure your table salt, for you to just be putting it gradually and mixing to, like I said, control the consistency, because every table salt have its own makeup. So you can't just measure table salt and just dump it in there at once. You get. So I'm just mixing it, as you can see, and then we attain our consistency that we want. Like I said, it's very, very good formulation, knowing how to make base shower gel. That is if you are into skincare formulation, because there you can make anything you want with your base. So there you see we have already attained our the consistency we want. Like, let me show you how thick and very, very transparent this is. When it's settled, it will be more transparent, like it will be, the transparency will be clear. Like, so in our training you get to know how to formulate everything from scratch. Is it bar soap, shower gels, black soaps, I have a video where I show you how you can make Moroccan based soap. There you get to know how to customize the soap and a lot of things, so you really don't want to miss out. So can you see that? Like, can you see the base shower gel, the transparent base shower gel we just made? So like I said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and feel free to ask question if you have. All these bubbles will go away when it's settled. Like, it depends on the consistency, because it is rather a small batch. They just take like 30 minutes, and as you can see, our final outcome is very, very clear shower gel. Because our cocoa bean is yellowish in color, that's why our outcome is kind of yellowish, but like, this is the clearest it can be. So thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.